Hanji and welcome back. That was bad.
You're back.
Today we're doing the introduction because we're much cooler than Teddy. No, we're not cooler than Teddy.
But
Teddy
no
is right here.
No one's cooler than me.
On our right.
Hanji,
Please.
उसका भी introduction
And,
करा दो, अपना भी करा
And
दो.
on my left is,
Liverpool represent.
oh my god, and me, the one and only
The team
Milan
Liverpool
fan.
beat the UCL.
अच्छा boys.
यार पहली बात तो ये ना
अच्छा नहीं
boys.
हाँ आज तुम कर रहे हो ना
नहीं,
hosting
हम
आज मैं
कर
as a
रहे हैं.
guest हूँ.
Yes.
Okay.
And G, we want to know how you feel after that NDL win.
NDL.
NLD. NLD win.
यार
So far,
NLD,
hosting,
yeah.
not good.
इसीलिए मैं
No
host करता हूँ. आप
Atlantic
समझ
Derby.
आइए तुम लोगों को.
How do you feel?
यार I feel great. और बस अब मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ ब्राइटन के मैच का. उसके बाद मैं अपने प्रॉपर व्यूज दे सकूँगा. बट इट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट. नॉट द स्टार्ट तो बड़ा गंदा था लेकिन उसके बाद जब से टीम सेट हुई है it looks promising. और
All the players are fully back.
all the
Arteta's
players
players.
हाँ Jaka's out now. और खैर the game itself I felt कि Arsenal were brilliant. इतना अच्छा हाफ नहीं खेले अभी तक Arsenal under Arteta. Even जो पहले सीजन में अच्छा भी किया था उसके अंडर लेकिन the performance was perfect up until the 80th minute जब गोल कंसीड किया तब थोड़े ढीले हो गए थे बॉयज लेकिन apart from that it was flawless.
And what about your thoughts on the Brentford game now? Looking back,
हाँ,
what
the
happened to Liverpool?
What happened to Liverpool
Away
exactly?
to Brentford.
और
तो फिर
लिवरपूल के क्वालिटी देखो और आर्सेनल की क्वालिटी देखो तो
and aerially struggling.
एरियली स्ट्रगलिंग गैब्रियल भी नहीं था उसके अंदर बेन वाइट और
First game में
मारी
White था.
खेल रहे थे उसके अलावा अप फ्रंट भी हमारे पास अबामायांग नहीं था लाकाजेट नहीं था बॉलगन खेल रहा था सो इट वाज अ वीकेंड टीम तो डिजर्व था ब्रेंटफोर्ड के लिए आर्सेनल वर पुअर और वंस द प्लेयर्स आर बैक आई फील के कुछ अच्छा हो सकता है आई फील टॉप 6 इज होना चाहिए
Yeah.
टॉप 4 के लिए फाइट कर सकते हैं आई फील विद दिस स्क्वाड सो दैट दोज आर माय थॉट्स स्पर्स ऑन द अदर हैंड वर वेरी पुअर वो मैंने एनालिसिस भी देखी है कैरिगर और सारों की सो वो उन्होंने जो एक्सप्लेन किया है मतलब नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट मिडफील्ड
क्या सीन क्या है like how did they beat Manchester City and then just suddenly drop in form? Is it because of
It was the
Harry
thing.
Kane?
No, it wasn't because of Harry Kane. Like it's mostly
it is
to do
because
with.
of Harry Kane? Harry Kane go ruined everything.
देखो look 100% मैं तो कहता हूँ ना इसके साथ हूँ मैं like Harry Kane का इस सीजन ना जिस तरह मैंने प्रेज किया था उसे लास्ट सीजन
हाँ.
तुम लोग को याद है like I genuinely thought he had a better season than a lot of strikers.
हाँ he did
Then last like a lot of strikers I mean the Polish destroyer
Lewandowski.
the TikTok
Yeah.
master. खैर anyways तो वो उसका सीन है कि तारिक shut up man if you can be lame I can be lame. तो खैर but I thought he had a better season then but अभी उस levels बिल्कुल touch नहीं कर रहा like उसका but that's the thing like in City ना there was more of a counter attacking like defense पे बैठो and this basically Nuno का ये था Wolves जो करता था ना
हाँ.
he did the first game exactly his way
हाँ.
you know he had fast counter attacking players and he used them ना and City को that's how you play against City and he got lucky there ठीक है but after that he wasn't Spurs का pressure है ना.
मैचेस जीते थे वो won their first 3 matches लेकिन वो परफॉर्मेंस मैंने लास्ट वीक या जब भी हमने लास्ट शूट किया था मैंने बोला था वो परफॉर्मेंस लेवल नहीं है रिजल्ट मिल गया उन बॉयज को लेकिन आई डोंट फील
I think and इस पे बड़ा जेमी कैरेगर ने he's अपनी तरफ से like made a very fancy joke or whatever कि more space on the moon but he's right to one point that the midfielders it just didn't work and that's where Spurs काफी ज़्यादा issues आ रहे हैं उनके I think in the first few matches when Skip and Højbjerg were playing they were very organized Dele Alli जो है वो I don't know man like he was 2-3 years ago he was
no he's not the same
yeah he's not the
नॉट
same
एट ऑल नॉट एट
He's-
ऑल और एंडोम्बेले भी मतलब स्किल है बॉय के पास
and उसका डिफरेंट सीन है उसका एंडोम्बेले का एंडोम बॉलर का जो है ना उसका डिफरेंट सीन है ब्रो
मतलब वो बॉलर है लेकिन उसमें कोई डिसिप्लिन नहीं है ब्रो
डिसिप्लिन की बात नहीं he has discipline in it the point is he can't sorry but he literally can't last bro like basically इसका ये प्रॉब्लम है the old like him na, he does 30 minutes. You know how Mourinho used to use him, right? कि उसे कहता था कि even though I was surprised कि क्यों नहीं खिला रहा बेचारे का he's always been questioned कि stamina wise तो his discipline goes away. Obviously जब बंदा थक जाता है तो when I know something's going to happen there and I don't have the stamina in me to run there.
33 मिनट्स में आर्सेनल ने 3 गोल मारे और उसमें एंडोम्बेले कहाँ था तो मतलब
तो ये-
स्टार्ट में तो जान मार सकता
तो
है
ये तो मैं तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ ना कि he
ये
doesn't
बड़ा
have that in
अच्छा
him.
रिवर्सल ऑफ पॉइंट मारा है इस पे
क्या मतलब 10 मिनट्स का प्लेयर है
No, but
फिर
it
वो
wasn't just Ndombele का मसला था ना,
मतलब
whole team setup.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ
दोनों
ना
का
डेली एली का तो मसला था
हाँ.
इसका भी मसला था हर एक का मसला था
मसला
लेकिन
है,
मैंने
besides
एक सिंगल आउट
Goldberg,
उसे
who's properly
इसलिए
solid
किया
there.
इसलिए किया क्योंकि वो उसने स्किप की बात की अगर स्किप होता एंडोम्बेले की जगह तो वो मिडफील्ड कवर होती
No, वो तो मैं डाउट ही नहीं करता उसकी बात पे.
हाँ,
Like, I
exactly.
want, in fact, मैंने ट्विटर पे तो बोला भी था कि the people are calling out Lo Celso के बारे में, and I said कि Lo Celso might be a FIFA player, I don't know, like I don't play, but I think Skip has been giving him better performances and should be the two DMs there, ना? And the guy said कि I got a lot of likes on it, so I think I was right. But the point is कि वो है Tariq's right, like Skip और वो तो थे वो गलत था, but it's the pressure that Nuno gets in ना by the fans. Up the Spurs way, as people say ना, it's no, it's generally a thing. The Spurs way is attacking, free-flowing football, just like United suffer from it.
I don't know what's the
No, but
Spurs
this
way,
is the way.
bro.
This is the Spurs way, bro. Like that's what they want, not the fans of theirs. तो अब इसका Nuno का ये तो कभी नहीं मसला था इसका. In fact, when he got signed, everyone thought he was a Mourinho, part 2 of it.
अच्छा सांस ले
तो
ले
वही था. तो ये मसला है कि
तो
उसमें-
वही है वो
तो वही है तो he's being forced to play a certain way in this derby, and it didn't work out because he doesn't play this way.
मतलब ही शुडंट ना मैनेजर क्यों है वो फैंस की बात अगर सुन के वो अपनी टीम सेटअप करेगा तो फिर यही होगा ब्रो
Yeah.
अगर उसका एक अपनी आइडियोलॉजी है फॉलो दैट फिर इस तरह की शायद
But
रिजल्ट्स
bro,
ना
you know how much fans and they have an impact on this
यार
and the pressure.
स्पर्स
that
है
goes
भाई
on. Bro, as much
स्पर्स
as- यार
है
देखो-
स्पर्स में कोई प्रेशर नहीं होता कभी
Bro,
भी ना
bro,
मीडिया
that's
की
the-
तरफ से फैंस की तरफ से होगा अपने और कहीं पे उन
Bro,
पे
that's the
प्रेशर
thing,
नहीं
man. You
होता
can't just say that for the club, man. That's like me dismissing Arsenal कि उसका क्या pressure है वो. I can like
आर्सेनल का
completely
प्रेशर
dismiss
है
it.
ना क्योंकि आर्सेनल वर राइट देयर स्पर्स weren't never उनका सक्सेसफुल सीजन क्या होता है आर्सेनल से ऊपर फिनिश करो एंड यू नो दैट
Bro, you're talking about history right now, man. Come on, like how
मैं
can you say
overall
कि
बात-
overall?
मैंने कहा fans की expectation-
for a club to succeed, Spurs were ahead of Arsenal. They were even in the top 4 under Pochettino.
हाँ.
What decline?
Yeah, but
the
what we're
decline
saying is
took
that
place-
Spirito Santo, he's not a, like TK, he hasn't been part of one of the supposed big six club managers before, but he's still a big shot manager. Like he had a very great season with Wolves, not last year probably, but the years before, and he's a good tactical manager. He shouldn't be one of those players those managers who succumbs to fan views. I know.
Have you seen
I know.
why they took out Mourinho, bro? Like literally, an elite manager was taken out because he wasn't playing up to the Spurs way. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That the pressure of them,
Yeah,
and the fans wanted
that's-
them. इसलिए मैं तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ कि भाई
Yeah, that's-
Nuno came into the pressure
नहीं
कि
तो
मैंने
फिर-
North London derby में
नहीं तो फिर
मैंने परफॉर्म करना है.
सारा ब्लेम
तो
फिर
अभी-
लेवी पे जाता है क्योंकि अगर
Yeah.
स्पर्स वे
तो
चाहिए
मैं
था
तो-
तो ही नोज के नूनो डजंट प्ले
हाँ,
दैट
तो मैं तो यही कह रहा हूँ तुम्हें कि the whole मसला is ऊपर से लेके that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying कि being harsh on Nuno कि इसके midfielder organization him coming under pressure. Bro, any position if I'm at a job or somewhere and I'm on a certain level of वो है expectation है तो obviously I'm going to follow them and treat them to that. If I'm going to do it my way अब वो तो trust भी चाहिए.
फिर ऑनेस्टली वो
Fans
अपना
से-
करियर खराब करेगा अगर इस
तो
तरह वो
गलती
करेगा
तो की है उसने like literally Graham मैं उस दिन देख रहा था कि why Graham Potter wasn't
Oh, what a
joined by
manager.
no but why wasn't he joined by Spurs or joined Spurs वो ये कह रहे थे कि he declined him कि I don't want to play under Levy कि उसको मैंने different ways and circumstances वो नहीं
I
आया
didn't know
उस
that
pressure में.
मतलब
Fonseca
So-
and Gattuso had the same issues as well. They just couldn't see eye to eye with the management.
हाँ जो कि मतलब ऑब्वियसली होता है हर जगह फुटबॉल को छोड़ के वैसे भी होता है आपका सो आई थिंक अगर नहीं होता
दफा करो स्पर्स बना
हाँ,
relegate हो
वैसे इतना
जाए.
टाइम क्यों हमने जाया किया उनके ऊपर
No, but it was an interesting talk, man. Like this
हाँ.
is stuff people don't know about.
Yeah.
दूसरा बड़ा मैच था चेल्सी सिटी लेकिन आज चेल्सी फैन नहीं है तो हम उससे बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं अभी लिवरपूल के मैच पे आते हैं ब्रेंटफोर्ड के साथ 3-3 तो
Man, I'm not as disappointed as a lot of fans. Like it's early on in the season, and I'm glad ये जितने भी draws अगर है इधर अभी निकल जाए. Because and also like it was a tough match to begin with. Like honestly, watching Brentford play, they didn't
Brentford-
deserve to lose that as well.
और ब्रेंटफोर्ड अवे इज गोइंग टू बी अ टफ फिक्चर फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ बिग क्लब्स दिस सीजन द वे दे प्ले और इवान टोनी यार उसके मैं लास्ट सीजन से कह रहा हूँ यार व्हाट प्लेयर द वे ही होल्ड्स अ प्ले और एयर में वो जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है हालांकि लगता नहीं है उसके साइज से कि he'll compete with the likes of Virgil van Dijk and he did that perfectly उसके
Not
बाद
perfectly, he just won one battle.
यार
एक battle जीता है.
टोनी और वैन डाइक का कंपैरिजन करो ब्रो लेवल्स का
Matip को तो bully किया उसने. Like genuinely, Matip bullied Lukaku, and then this week
ये वो
Matip has been.
दो बच्चे नहीं होते फेवरेटिज्म कर रहा होता है कि नहीं इसको
नहीं, Matip को किया है।
Matip को किया है,
We video
Bro,
Yeah,
watch the match, man. Watch the match. Literally, he beat him 3 times in the air. But that wasn't even the part where we conceded the goals. Basically, अगर तुम लोग Brentford के जाके statistically presses देख लो ना, they're leading in the Premier League for the highest presses in the. So they're also playing good football along with their style of play. It's a lot like Sheffield United in their first season. कि how they are like overlapping centre backs, but this is a different style basically. But बहुत ही similar, taking the games on वाला attitude है.
हाँ, which I like. छोटे क्लब तो नहीं वैसे कहना चाहिए ज्यादती होगी लेकिन
No, but it's the first time
newly
yeah.
promoted clubs के लिए it's exciting to see such stuff.
Yeah.
आप expect नहीं करते हो आपको ज़हन में मुझे तो स्टोक सिटी आती है टोनी प्यूलेस याद आता है
Tony Pulis
So-
motherfucker.
हाँ
But bro, Liverpool's midfield was a problem as well. Like Zako was मैच के दरमियान में कह रहा था ना Henderson के बारे में ग्रुप में मैसेज किए Henderson assist. As soon as he did that, Henderson dropped one of the worst performances after. Bro, our midfield was literally Henderson was losing all the second balls, which their game plan was के bounce it off a player. So every Liverpool were always like second to the second balls. So and that's something Liverpool's game I've never seen. They always compete in that department as well. और उसमें फिर we conceded all those 2 goals as well in the end.
फिर थियागो भी
Not
injured.
there, yeah.
Yeah. और कौन से मैचेस थे मिलान का क्या बना है इस दफा ब्रो
I didn't actually watch some of the Premier League matches this weekend. I was watching Serie A, thankfully, much better league. Bro, seriously, like, वैसे just, I know you guys think I'm just joking, but seriously, it was, this game week, especially in Serie A, was so effing entertaining, bro. Inter versus Atlanta, Lazio, Roma, they got a effing eagle on the pitch, bro, after they won the
Yeah.
match. Fucking crazy. Pedro just shithousing on Mourinho. It's crazy, he scored a goal. And of course, the legacy of Maldini. Daniel Maldini, Paolo Maldini's son, scored 19 years of age. I think amazing, bro.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. I think
what-
legacy, यार. Since God knows
हाँ.
कब के हमारे परदादा भी नहीं पैदा होते. So, तो खैर, yeah, Milan won.
Like, it's very bold of you to assume that we don't watch the Serie A here. Besides Milan, I watch all the matches.
Yeah, Lazio Roma was an amazing game. Tammy Abraham played well, but obviously they didn't get those goals they wanted. Pellegrini looks amazing, bro.
Too good.
Under Mourinho, like it's crazy what Mourinho's been doing with him. And even Lazio under Sarri ball, like it's amazing.
Sarri.
right?
Yeah. No,
Like-
but वो भी है. Napoli are playing so well.
And Napoli are
Insigne and
Victor
Osimhen.
Osimhen. Victor. Victor जो है ना, he's-
Osimhen.
Yeah, awesome.
यार
That's how you say it.
नापोली का कौन
That
है
is how you
मैनेजर
say it.
Spalletti.
स्पेलेटी हाँ
Bald managers, bro. Seriously. तो वो भी यानी कि they're 6 for 6. It's crazy.
Top of the
He's
league.
got 6 goals in 4 games, I think, or something like that. It's crazy. So yeah, on that note, Champions League should be interesting. अभी आ रहा है बड़े heavy matches.
आज है ना
El Clasico. How do you is that
ऑयल क्लासिको
Oil Clasico? PSG City. I don't think PSG have been a good team so far in the league.
they haven't been impressive they won 6 out of 6 though
They won, but I mean,
Bro, they've won. problem-
they've scrapped for those wins. ठीक है ना? I mean, players like Herrera and Hakimi are getting goals in. Like I'm not saying Hakimi is bad; he's great, but like, all your regular goal takers, वो सारा goal involvement, it's
Bro,
just not
Pochettino
happening.
hasn't been able to do it.
Yeah.
As well. Like the thing with him is कि मैंने note किया है, his midfield has been non-existent. He's playing certain players like Wijnaldum and
He does it.
Idrissa Gana Gueye or Paredes, और वो नहीं चल रहे होते.
They're
The
all,
thing is that
but all three of them are very similar type
They're-
of players. Like
that's
they're
what I'm
not,
saying,
they're not
their
very.
profile-
There's no transitionary playmaking player the way Verratti
वही
is.
मैं कह रहा था कि
Verratti, yeah.
Verratti is a big part of this.
Yeah.
कि मैं last week से मैं लगा रहा हूँ कि कह रहा हूँ कि this side has not like Verratti for Champions League glory ये की है because how ये MSN played Barcelona का 3-4-3 Enrique ने जिसने किया था.
Yeah,
His
they
balance was Rakitic as well there,
Yeah,
and then
Busquets.
Busquets to do a bit. But the thing is कि this is what they're lacking there. They don't have that moving the ball forward and play. And then also defensively, they're getting, besides them scrapping for goals and stuff, wo zyada masla bhi nahi hai. Like the Messi magic, Neymar, it'll happen at any moment. The biggest problem is defensively, they're always getting open as well.
Yeah.
बहुत आराम से teams ने of this is their players aren't good enough, तो वो से miss कर देते हैं, कुछ कर देते हैं. और उसमें तो they're क्या कहते हैं, when you have a, so my thing is कि 3-4-3 पे अगर Pochettino switch करे ना, he can easily get the best out of all the players in there, from defensively and attackingly going forward. But Virati is the key there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just happy. Although I'm not actually happy because he's a great goalkeeper, but I'm just happy Donnarumma is riding the bench. Supposedly he's upset and he's going to be forced to play against City. But, you know, it's just... People wonder like, oh, why didn't Milan give him money? He was the best goalkeeper. And bro, it was never about that. It was about the fact that he's only 20, 21 years. Pato, Ibrahimovic, all these big superstars, when they were playing, I know the times have changed, but when they were playing at 2021, they didn't earn this much. They, you know, it took them time. TK is an established goalkeeper.
Wow.
But if you're kissing the badge every year and saying you love this club, this is the club that gave you a chance, then you ride it out for 1 or 2 years. Tonali took a pay cut to stay with Milan.
Let it go, Tariq.
Giroud
He's gone.
He's
gone. Let it go.
I'm upset for him, bro. He's riding the bench
No,
to
but he's
Keylor
not.
Navas.
He's gonna slowly get in. Like, pehle to was this problem.
What?
He played
They
in the
didn't
last
play.
game.
He didn't play him in
He
a
played
dead
in the
rubber
last
Champions League. No,
No, he did.
He
Play in the
didn't
last
play.
Game, bro. He was.
Keylor Navas played.
He was in the last week.
Navas-
Last week मैं कह रहा हूँ यार. Last week पे था, खेला था उसने. He
Last
even
week
started
is-
the one where they scored last
League
week.
One में Uber
League One.
The most recent match.
Yeah, he did. He started.
didn't start.
He started in the last match and last.
निकालो
Mbappe
मैंने
उसके
मैंने
लिए-
देखा था because I was going.
आज वैसे तुम्हारे पास भी फोन था, तुमने बोला था आज मैं देखूंगा सब कुछ
यार
स्टैट्स का है।
वो मेरे पास वो नहीं है वो ऐप.
ऐप नहीं है, मैं देख रहा हूँ PSG के मैचेस लास्ट वीक मोंपेलियर से था एंड Navas played.
Told you.
ये देखो his fixtures.
The one before
Mets.
that, I don't know if he played.
Mets के.
मैच के अगेंस्ट भी नहीं खेला.
Yeah, he didn't play.
In your
Surprising. No, he did
face.
against Lyon. Nah, that's what I'm saying.
हाँ और भी पीछे जाओ.
He did, bro. I remember
Friendlies में
watching
जाओ.
him.
हाँ he's played one match only.
He's played against
Yeah.
Lyon. Nah.
एक
One
मैच
match.
खेला
And
है.
इसमें भी yeah, तो like what's the deal? I don't get it. Like तुम कह रहे हो
Bro,
कि क्या मसला है?
he came in. He was a
वो कह रहे he
superstar
should have
No,
signing.
but
stayed
he's
at
gonna-
Milan.
No, but he's gonna start, man. Like it's not like he's not gonna be completely
He
lost.
no look
Navas
him
to
and
be-
Raiola, his best friend, apparently did this move so that he could be challenged. He could be regularly starting. He could win Champions League with a team. He's not regularly starting. Pochettino didn't even want him. Leonardo, who was a former AC Milan technical director, he said, "Ke let's pick him up now before somebody else gets him,
Yeah.
and then we'll probably cash in on him later or whatever."
But bro, Tariq,
Which
that's
is what
what
happened.
clubs that's what money clubs can do.
Yeah,
man.
that's what
Like,
they do. That's what they do. That I'm
like,
not denying that.
that's
what they do.
stack, like, it's
I'm
good
just
that
saying it's unfortunate for his career when he could have been with Milan right now and challenging for the Scudetto, challenging for the Champions League with his boyhood club. He was effing
Challenging for the Champions League with Milan, but not with PSG.
PSG.
ठीक
Bro,
हो
I
गया
think
तारिक.
you're biased. You're just
ठीक
not
हो
over
गया
it. Like,
तारिक.
just get over it.
I'm over it. I'm upset
Get
for the guy.
over it. Don't be. This is
And
like
Raiola-
me saying Suarez. You could have been with us, Liverpool.
and
Yeah,
Ra-
Coutinho.
and
Bro,
Ra-
get over it. They're gone, man. Like just.
And
let it go.
Raiola should be banned from football, bro. He's
Oof.
some say
Say
like-
salty हुआ है like Donnarumma का.
No,
Bro,
because-
he's gonna start. Donnarumma eventually will be first choice, bro. Come
because
on.
Romagnoli is his client as well. उसके भी transfer talk और contract renewals के issues आ रहे हैं, पता नहीं
तो
उसके
क्या
बाद।
टॉमस पार्टी बड़ा अच्छा कर रहा है, वो भी वो कर रहा है तुम्हारा तो. He's riding his contract out.
Who?
He wants a move away.
Thomas Partey.
Thomas Partey,
इसको
sorry.
देख के- इसको देख के
Frank
आओ।
Kessie.
You
Frank Kessie. Frank
racist,
Kessie.
bro.
Kessie.
You racist.
How is
मेरी
that
जान
racist?
निकल गई थी ब्रो, मैं पार्टी
How
के
is
अंदर
that?
जा
मैंने
रहा
कहा, why is he staring at me? I completely forgot.
Kessie is not his client.
No, I know he's not, but वो भी without his client वो तो ride out कर कह रहे कि मैं तो छोड़
Kessie
दूंगा
का
उनको.
different situation.
उसका different हो गया.
जब जाएगा फिर
वही
उसे भी
कहते-
गालियां मिलेंगी.
वही नहीं, bro, it's the same
When
thing.
you have a
Players को
जब तुम्हें हो ना काश तुम्हारे सारे
हुआ है।
players Raiola के clients
नहीं
हो।
हुआ है. A lot of players have done that. Coutinho को हुआ है, Suarez को हुआ है, Torres को हुआ है, सब हुआ है. But you just let it go, bro. Like better things
I
come.
have let it go.
Better things come. You got a
तारिक,
French keeper.
The Huddle Cup Game Week 6 तुम अनाउंस करो आज.
Game week oh my god. So leading the Huddle Cup this week is the Teddyites.
Yours truly.
68 points this game week. Nice, bro. क्या टीम रखा था तुमने?
तुम बाकी अनाउंस करो ना, टीम बाद में देखना.
अच्छा ठीक है, बाकी अनाउंस कर लेते हैं. At number 2 is
Rafael Tulo Varane.
the team name is Evaluasi Isolasi by Rafael Tulo Varane.
हाँ जी.
Third team is Ninja Skirtle.
अच्छा बस काफी है ना, अब सारे अनाउंस करोगे. अपना बता दो तुम किधर.
मैं किधर हूँ?
तुम जरा नीचे जाओ.
Damn man, I have to scroll. Oh, number 21.
जक्को भी उधर ही है कहीं, शायद लास्ट
सबको भी उधर कहीं नीचे.
अब देख लो बेशक अगर टीम देखनी है तो. खैर अच्छा.
So your team
अच्छा
is, you had Salah, Saka, nice, ESR.
हाँ जी.
Oh my God, Vardy. You had Sarr from Watford.
That's a nice team, bro.
Fullbacks ने का काम नहीं किया ना.
हाँ वो कभी नहीं कर रहे, मेरे ड्राफ्ट में भी नहीं कर रहे. Anywho, हम चल रहे हैं यूनाइटेड की तरफ. वलीद
सेम चीज है यार, सेम बातें
क्या?
हैं, so हमने रिपीट किया है वो यार.
नहीं, ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस का बताओ यार. वो तो पता ही है कि ओले
हाँ.
शोले को छोड़ो, ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस का बताओ.
यार बस उसका क्या बताऊं मैं.
It's so-
तुम बता दो यार, वो तो कुछ नहीं बोल रहा.
It's so ridiculous. Like ठीक है, he missed a penalty and he was sorry for it. But this, I don't know who is in Manchester United's PR department, who their PR head is, but they need to calm the F down. ठीक है, वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया.
बहुत ज्यादा हो गया.
ठीक है, mental health is a big thing, but this is honestly making a mockery of it. ठीक है ना, like it's becoming a bit too much. I mean, you're an effing sports player, bro. You missed a penalty. ठीक है,
It's
get
a
back up.
50% chance of scoring
Yeah,
and missing penalties. Like it's not a big deal. Like हो गया तो क्या हुआ.
यार अगर ये वाला सीन होता तो पता नहीं कितने लोगों को अपॉलजीज
Yeah.
देनी पड़ जाती.
कसम से there'd be an apology every week, man.
Yeah.
Like if somebody made a tackle जैसे penalty हुआ.
उसने तो बुक
किसी
लिखा
ने
है पूरा,
handball, हाँ?
पूरा बुक लिखा है.
हाँ हाँ ब्रो, पूरा नोट
This,
है.
that,
ठीक है,
that,
if he's feeling bad about it, that's good for him. He should do better next time. But
हाँ बस just do that.
that's it.
फुटबॉल है भाई, मतलब और
खैर,
ओ
एक conspiracy theory है. So the rumor is that, and you can even see a video of it when Emi Martinez, who by the way we'll also talk about, is
तो मैं बात करना उसकी.
is challenging is challenging Ronaldo ke tum lo penalty, and then Ronaldo is actually going to come and say acha fine, I'll take it, but then Pogba comes and pushes him to the side. He's like no, let Fernandes take it, because apparently Pogba, Bruno and some of these players were all in on the fact of trying to get Ole out of the team. So Bruno intentionally missed that penalty. Have you ever seen Bruno take a penalty like
Bro,
that?
I think
Where he
Bruno is
just,
very-
let me finish, where he just skies it. Like even all the commentators were like, bro, he always, does that 2-step, 1-step, clinical.
No, but he was getting the last penalties he missed.
And
he wanted to
Ronaldo
change it.
apparently didn't know about this. That's why Pogba was like, nahi, tum na karo, because he
नया
would-
है ना वो रोनाल्डो,
हाँ,
उसे
नहीं, he
नहीं
would
पता
have
होगा.
scored. So
हाँ, वो तो penalty
conspiracies,
was too
heavy
much.
conspiracies in Manchester
This is
United.
too much. This is
Keep
just,
an eye.
This is just.
I'm telling you,
this
bro.
is far too much, bro. Simple बात ये है. In the moment था Ronaldo always, we know how he wants to be a showman actor, कि वो नहीं होता कि I am such a good guy on the field and वो वाली हरकतें करता है Ronaldo. We've all seen him do it. Like Messi ये हरकत नहीं करता, but Messi छुप के करता है. इन दोनों में ये मसला है. And then Ronaldo being the nice guy, Bruno, come on, take it. I trust you. मेरा always, everyone will be like, next clips will
ऐसे
be
ही
on
आवाज
Twitter.
में.
Bruno, come on.
Come on.
Come on, take it.
And then he goes, and then कसम से यही हरकत हुई है. ब्रूनो ने कहा है कि हाँ ठीक है, Ronaldo, you trust me, yes, thank you very much. And then Emi Martinez being the spoiler of this whole love story जो था ना, क्योंकि United captain भी ready होकर में Ronaldo, what a guy, did this, that, that. And Emi Martinez just completely shit talked him so much. Ronaldo को भी किया ऐसे ही. इतना दिमाग ब्रूनो में मतलब.
You take it, you take
bro,
it.
the only time you blast a penalty, right, is when you're shit angry. Like ठीक है, like इतना गुस्सा में हो ना कि नहीं मैं तो फाड़ूंगा ये बॉल और नेट तुम्हारे कीपर पे. And that's what Bruno wanted to do. And Bruno, I think एकदम से while taking the penalty, like you can see his positioning as well. कि I thought he मतलब Emi Martinez guessed the right way. Bruno जिधर जा रहा था. So then I think Bruno tried to elevate his ball. वो नहीं था ऊपर मारने का. And उसमें full बस हवा में गई है. Because Emi Martinez did go the right way as well. So I feel like इस तरह overlap है.
उसके बाद celebration भी किया.
Celebration भी किया.
What a
Dance किया.
celebration, man. What a celebration. Right in front of the Stratford end.
यार एमी मार्टिनेज बहुत फिट कीपर है. थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक्स हैं उसमें, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली हर कीपर में
yeah.
होती है, लेकिन उसकी मेंटालिटी जो है ना
Bro, it's crazy.
ब्रो इट्स
Elite.
क्रेजी.
elite mentality man, like imagine I can't get मतलब कीपर एक जिंदगी में मैंने नहीं देखा जो रोनाल्डो को
रोनाल्डो को इस तरह
कि
का-
तुम लो भाई
Yeah.
तुम लो.
किसी दिन इब्राहिमोविच और मार्टिनेज के खिलाफ कोई गेम होना बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होगा.
हाँ होगी, नहीं मुश्किल है.
I mean AC Milan unless Conference League में मिल जाए.
Aston Villa.
AC Milan
Champions
Conference
League
League में
का.
शायद मिल जाए.
कॉन्फ्रेंस लीग तक तो पहुंच ही सकती है विला. वैसे विला अच्छी टीम है यार, काफी फिट टीम है. उसके बाद सिटी वर्सेस चेल्सी.
City versus
आज
Chelsea.
आज खुल के चेल्सी की बुराइयां करो ब्रो.
Bro,
आज कोई नहीं है डिफेंस
फर्स्ट
करने
पार्ट
के
किया
लिए.
है अपने आप को टीम
हाँ.
कहते हैं, 12 लोग के साथ खेल रहे हो तो भी
Bro, let me a very huge disclaimer to all Chelsea fans, and you might not like to hear this, but this is exactly how the game was playing out against Liverpool. ठीक है?
जो
तुक्के
1-1 ड्रॉ हुआ था,
जो 1-1 ड्रॉ, तुक्के पे उन्होंने वो हैवर्ट्स वाला गोल खाया, ठीक है? And then the red card was the best thing that happened to Chelsea.
चेल्सी.
ठीक है? Because Liverpool were dominating them the same way. ठीक है? I mean, it's hard to say who's dominating who in one half, but they were definitely opening up plays, getting chances, ठीक है? Looking like they were going to score. And with City, it's just that, again, Tuchel does the only thing he knows how to do, which is to, you know, organize the defense.
And play it on the counter.
And play it on the counter. Bro, in the first half, I think only 2 forward runs were made, where Lukaku and Timo Werner just went up ahead the ball. It's ridiculous, yeah. And there was no reason from the lineup. I figured it out, like, as soon as the lineup came out, why the hell are you playing Kovacic, Jorginho and Kante at the same time? And आगे तुमने Lukaku और Werner, उन्होंने अचार बनाने आगे लगे.
माउंट इंजर्ड है,
yeah.
Mount is injured.
हैवर्ट्स
He had
तो नहीं
Havertz,
था
he had
injured.
Ziyech.
कोई
Bro, you
क्रिएटिविटी
need
नहीं.
creative players to go. And when Havertz came, the team did look different for a minute. थोड़े से chances बन गए थे.
यार आई फील, थोड़ी सी गट फीलिंग है मेरी कि बहुत जल्द पता चल जाएगा कि Tuchel isn't it.
No bro, I think
मैंने-
this is an overreaction man. Like
ओवर रिएक्शन नहीं है, मैं काफी अरसे से नोट कर रहा हूँ जो उनका गेम प्ले है ना, इट्स गोइंग टू बी फाउंड आउट.
Yeah.
No, there's nothing to be
predictable.
found out. Like it's
Yeah.
really, it's a simple gameplay. Now the
हाँ
point
ना.
is the point is versus
Just contradicted yourself.
क्या?
It's a simple gameplay. There's nothing to be found out.
What do you mean? Like no, I'm
If
saying
it's
like,
simple,
there's
it's
not,
easy to find out.
like,
मतलब वो
the-
कह रहे हैं,
the
everything
point
is
कि
already found
everything
out.
is already
अच्छा,
found out. That's what I'm
okay.
trying to say. Like the point is कि अब against smaller teams, if you watch Chelsea play, people say it's a solid back and ठीक है, they haven't conceded. But I've always said कि there were chances where Newcastle के खिलाफ Saint Maximin was in and didn't make the right decision. There were chances where Aston Villa के खिलाफ a lot of their players were in but didn't make the right decision at the time. Or either Mendy, who's really underrated, I think he's a great
He's a
keeper.
great keeper.
He saves them. He saved 2 points, I think, last
Bro,
week as well.
saved the
So the
ass
point,
like
the
crazy.
point is they get opened up when they play football. ठीक है? They're not as solid as everyone thinks they are. Up against big teams, if you only watch their game like Champions League final, yeah, Champions League games where you know sit back against all the people and have a certain, like Werner is great at counter attacking. All these players that they have, Pulisic हो गया, सब हो गए, they're all good at counter
पुलिस
attacking.
भी दो था, वो तो
No,
पता
but
नहीं
the
कहाँ
point,
गायब
वो
है.
injured है ना. But the point is
अच्छा.
like all these players are good at counter attacking. So if you set up a certain play, तुम्हारी defensive solidity तो है, वो shape तो है तुम्हारी.
Yeah.
But if they then when they went a goal behind City के साथ जब football खेलने लगे, City got in 3-4 times then where they missed and
तो यही
Mendy
होगा ना,
saved
मतलब
them. तो
वो हर टीम के अगेंस्ट तो सिट बैक नहीं करेंगे ना. सिटी, लिवरपूल, यूनाइटेड इनके साथ शायद कर लें वो सिट बैक, लेकिन जब विला टाइप आएगी गेम या कोई इस तरह की आएगी तब वो खुलेंगे ना.
तो ये
तो
मैं कह
इसलिए
रहा
मैं
हूँ
कह रहा हूँ
कि-
he's
मेरी
going to
बात
be
सुन,
found out
That's-
very
bro,
soon.
There's another
bro,
thing-
that's what I'm saying.
there's
It's
another
found out. The point is
मैं वही
their player quality, bro. You can't. At the end
Quality
of the
तो
day-
है, for
At the
sure.
end of the day, Lukaku will win you games. Werner will win you games if he comes off the bench and has that speed. And Pulisic, Havertz जीतता
तो
है,
फिर
Mount
ओले
जीतता
और
है.
टुकल में
All
क्या
this-
डिफरेंस
तो
हुआ?
ये-
हम भी तो वही कहते हैं ना.
Bro, the point is कि he's using it. That's what I'm trying to say. कि Ole का फिर ये है कि we're not trying. I've never discredited him completely or saying he's a clueless manager. I've always said that he's improved. At the start, I didn't rate him at all. But then when his transition
I
came from
still
zero, from zero to bro, the transition Ole's done isn't anything clueless manager kabhi
यार
नहीं
उसने
करता.
बस स्टेबल किया है
Bro,
ना.
Mourinho didn't do it. Point is Mourinho didn't do it or couldn't do it.
क्या Mourinho got them second?
Mourinho तो
But he couldn't do it
Mourinho
consistently
with
to this
that
level,
team
bro.
got
You
them
can't
second.
discredit this, bro. It's a very
नहीं,
हमारा
I'm
ये है
not
कि हम-
discrediting
हम बहुत
कर-
मैंने
बात
क्या
चाहते
बोला
हैं.
है? मैंने कहा स्टेबल किया उन्हें. मैंने ये तो नहीं डिस्क्रेडिट
Mourinho
किया.
didn't stabilize them. That's what I'm trying to tell
उन्हें
you.
सेकंड लेके आया था वो, जो कहता है Mourinho थोड़ा
Bro,
सा
Ole's
shit house
done
भी
it as
करता
well.
है.
I'm just
कि-
saying Ole's done
हाँ,
it as
exactly
well.
with this squad. Mourinho के पास ये squad नहीं था.
Bro, he had a good squad back then. Come on, man.
He had-
उस
he had-
वक्त
he had
bro,
shit.
he had gotten
Bro,
Lukaku. He
no.
wanted the strikers. He got them. He had Lukaku. He had Ibrahimovic. He had Pogba fresh from there. Even though Pogba wasn't a signing, he made it work with Pogba as well. शुरू में उस सीजन में काफी अच्छा था.
खैर मैं एक बात
You
कर रहा
can't-
था कि there is often a misconception with counter-attacking teams or counter-attacking plans. People think that counter-attacking teams or counter-attacking plans is someone who just sits back, parks the bus, and then waits for the right moment to get in. Although that is what it essentially is, but that's not just it. When they have possession of the ball, these teams are try to do fast build-up basically. They don't wait for that perfect pass like Manchester City, just playing it around, switching angles, switching the ball, waiting for the moment, drawing the defender in. It's just fast build-up, get into play, make the run behind the defender, get in and just do that 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 passing. And that's literally, if Chelsea did that, which is what I think Tuchel is lacking, if he did that, if he utilized Lukaku, Werner, and then one creative attacking midfielder that way, he could have had more
Look,
chances.
bro, this is what I'm trying to say. You're being too harsh on Tuchel. I'm all for. I'm all for. I'll tell you why, bro. पहली बात तो कौन सा मैनेजर है तुम बताओ जिसने पेप गार्डियोला के साथ प्रॉपर फुटबॉल खेला है besides Jurgen Klopp. Tell me which manager that
बोलने
is.
लगा था.
तो नहीं है ना. नहीं है because when you've played with him, bro, every manager that comes, a small team ना, bro, when they come to play. To listen now, when they come to play with Pep, now Pep bashes them 5-0, and then in the interviews Pep Guardiola says, "I love the way they play football. They should play more often." Because he's encouraging this indirectly for everyone. Okay, this is how you should play against you, which is wrong because the way to beating Pep is what Tuchel did, and it is. But बहुत मुश्किल से.
It does work.
It does work. But then there's such a thing as too much. And then in moderation where you have chances to open up the game.
Yeah, on a good day, यही result Chelsea 1-0 हो सकता था.
हुआ भी है in fact.
चैंपियंस लीग में यही हुआ है. Exactly यही हुआ है. लेकिन मेरा point ये है कि ये ज़्यादा देर नहीं चलेगी ये चीज़ें. If he plays the same way against every opposition,
but he's not playing the same way against every opposition, bro. He's playing the same way against City. He did against Liverpool. These are top sides where you have to give respect to the opposition, which all these players. मैंने Champions League में I read this report on Tuchel दिया था after the final, and he said कि versus Pep Guardiola sides, every team has to suffer. कि you have to give the ball and you have to work off the defense and do this thing. He overdid it with playing that midfield because ये है कि he had no other choice to. Usually इनका Mount जो होता है ना खेलता है in the front three, he tucks in. Bro, the difference between 3-4-3s and Tuchel's 3-4-3 is he has players at his disposal that are disposal at his disposal that are better. Bro, listen, he has players at his disposal that are better at working off the ball like Mount is. So वो or Havertz as well, but Havertz ज़्यादा नहीं करता. Mount tucks in and becomes that fourth player, but he's also creative player Mount. So ये तुम disregard नहीं कर सकते, नहीं कह सकते.
अब पता चलेगा Chelsea versus Southampton पे. Southampton करती है attack. नेक्स्ट वीक है उनकी गेम, उसके बाद मैं तुमसे इसी पॉइंट पे बात.
ब्रो, बट ऑल दीस प्रीवियस गेम्स ने अटैक भी हुआ है. एस्टन विला अटैक करती है, न्यूकासल भी अटैक करती है काउंटर पे. दैट्स लिटरली व्हाट हैपेंड. लाइक मैं तुम्हें क्या कह रहा हूं.
नहीं, मैं वही कह रहा हूं ना, चेल्सी का गेम ही ये है.
नहीं तो तुम क्या कह रहे हो रियलिस्टिकली, फिर क्या सीन है चेल्सी का?
नहीं, मैं तुम्हें गेम प्ले की बात कर रहा हूं.
तब क्या है, तू क्या कहने क्या चाह रहे हो तुम चेल्सी के बारे में?
बता दे
नहीं, तुम क्या कहना चाह रहे हो?
व्हाट्स टुचेल्स ऑब्जेक्टिव देन? तुम क्या किधर, वेयर विल दे फिनिश विद दिस गेम प्ले एंड हिम बीइंग फाउंड आउट?
टॉप 4 में फिनिश करेंगे.
टॉप 4 बट नॉट टाइटल चार्ज. नहीं है टाइटल चार्ज. That's where I think you're really wrong because there's a
तो वो पता चल जाएगा ना.
That's what I'm saying. I disagree with you there. ये मैं तुम्हें कह रहा हूँ.
सही है फिर
ठीक है.
तब के क्यों कह रहे हो यार तुम?
काफी I'm surprised कि literally a week ago or two before the Chelsea game, City game, everyone was like Chelsea title favorites.
Everyone gone.
No, everyone gone. We didn't say that.
बकर था भाई, बकर था.
Only Bakar said it.
Bro, come on. Chelsea were literally above Liverpool in both your predictions when you signed Lukaku.
My was Leicester.
नहीं Leicester था but Liverpool were fourth and his के लिए Liverpool were third as well.
Liverpool wasn't fourth.
You literally had
तुमने
Chelsea and
prediction
City
दिया?
ahead of Liverpool, bro.
मैंने prediction किया था. नहीं, not last week.
नहीं
In the
नहीं
first-
नहीं वही
No, when we
first
got
week
Lukaku
में।
as well, we did a prediction. All of you said कि Liverpool were behind City and Chelsea जो था, and both were competing for the title. Now you're saying they're not a title thing.
क्योंकि मैंने ज्यादा देखा नहीं था ना उस वक्त चेल्सी को.
Yeah, I think
I'm
changed
just-
in weeks, but I didn't
No,
have Liverpool ahead of behind Chelsea.
I'm not sure, मुझे याद नहीं है
Yeah.
तुम्हारा.
Anywho,
Man.
so you
Like,
can
we're just, no,
disagree.
I'm just saying Chelsea are being let off this way now because then all of a sudden the narrative will be Tuchel
Nobody
isn't
cares
good
about
enough for them.
Chelsea.
Because this is where a harsh
Nobody
judgment should
cares.
be given to them.
Who cares?
No, man.
तुम
Tuchel ना
तुम
मेरा
क्या कह
भाई
रहे हो
है,
क्या
ना
होना
मेरा-
चाहिए?
Their standard is set to a title charge. You can't just completely dismiss them because they're not good
नहीं
enough for this
वो उनका
season.
स्टैंडर्ड वो
ये
उनका
मैं समझ
स्टैंडर्ड
रहा
है
हूँ।
वही द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी they've spent जो उनकी टीम है they
Like
should
they have to win something
they
this season. That's what I'm saying.
definitely do
I would
लेकिन मैं
compete
कह रहा हूँ
for
कि
it.
नहीं होगा. That's what I'm saying.
No, I think they're still going to be up
वो
there. They're
ट्रॉफी
just
तो
not
एक
gonna
जीत
win.
जाएंगे वो ट्रॉफी तो
No,
नहीं
no,
छोड़ते
मैं कह
वो.
रहा हूँ they're going to be up in the title charge.
मैं वैसे एक उस दिन एक बात कर रहा था. I don't think Tuchel is going to stay manager longer than like if things go well, he might stay till like the end of the year.
एंड ऑफ द सीजन तो करेगा ही
हाँ.
करेगा. इतनी जल्दी नहीं निकालेंगे.
नहीं, नहीं, इतनी
अनलेस
जल्दी नहीं
अनलेस वो चैंपियंस लीग से जल्दी बाहर हो जाता. ग्रुप स्टेज में बाहर हो जाए
ब्रो.
ब्रो.
सीन हो जाए ना चेल्सी के साथ तो फिर unfortunately Abramovich is just one of those managers who
No.
just one of those owners who just kicks out managers.
हाँ बेशक उसने पता नहीं कितने
कितने
टाइटल्स भी जीते हो. दैट डजंट मैटर अगर
Yeah.
करंट सीजन में
हाँ.
फिट नहीं कर रहे हो. और क्या करने वाली बात है बॉयज? कुछ है?
Next week,
नेक्स्ट वीक
heavy match
लिवरपूल
versus Manchester City.
The only manager in the world who doesn't sit back to Pep and
Klopp.
beats him at his own
Klopp,
game
bro,
sometimes, but also gets thrashed.
तुम कहते हो कि तुम्हें you think कि Pep is the best manager in the world.
Yeah, I still think Pep is better.
मैं तो Klopp
is the
हूँ, bro.
best. Yeah.
Yeah.
Klopp all the way. Pep
Klopp
बहुत
was-
fit है, बहुत fit है.
There was a-
Klopp में कोई बात है यार. कुछ है उसमें.
Ek minute. What are your predictions for the match?
I think Liverpool winning.
How much?
Anfield है?
Yeah. I think we're just gonna do some madness.
And win.
Some typical Anfield madness.
और क्या मैचेस हैं यार?
United Everton should be interesting. Rafa Benitez taking it to Oli, schooling him.
कर देना स्कूल
आराम
यार
से.
या ना करे
बहुत फॉर्म में है.
या ना करे ड्रॉ कर लेना
Andrew
वरना
Townsend.
ओले अगर बाहर चला गया तो
We
फिर
don't need him
ब्रो
to go.
कॉन्टे ना आ
Andrew
जाए.
Townsend ने जो हेयर प्लांट किए ट्रांसप्लांट
वो काफी अर्सा हो गया वैसे उस बात को तारिक.
लेकिन मैं अभी ट्विटर पे देखा मैंने.
मैंने भी
पहले
आज
मुझे
देखा
नहीं
था.
पता था. तो
The
हम
greatest
अभी-
comeback in
ये
history.
हमारे लिए fresh news है.
इस्तांबुल भाई वो नहीं है कोई एंडी टाउनसेंड.
Turkey से किया होगा.
Huh?
Turkey are known for their best hair transplant.
Okay, please stop.
Yeah, they are.
Just stop it.
Wow, I'm just giving you advice if you ever want to go. Arsenal.
आर्सेनल
Let me tell you what
Let me
Arteta's
tell
done.
you
No,
first
bro,
something.
come on,
Hey,
man,
man,
Tariq.
wait, man. Hey.
Tariq,
Hey.
you're very.
Hey.
हमने रिकॉर्डिंग फिर से शुरू की है तो मैं आर्सेनल के बारे में बात करूं.
Hey, फन
ये-
आप बोलो.
अच्छा तुमने किस बंदे
Bro,
के बारे में
let me
बात
tell you,
करनी है
bro,
और
I'm talking
तुमने
about
किस
Arsenal, Arteta's whole game plan. in
तुमने
general.
किसके बारे में बात करनी?
मैं
Bro.
दो आर्टेटा के बारे में points
वो से
Listen,
बोलने थे
bro.
पहले ब्रो.
The thing is, it's very simple, bro. Arteta ka game plan, how it's working, he wanted his foundations defensively as well, right, to work. And he got the centre backs. मैंने तुम्हें कहा भी था कि don't judge them, let them play. Brentford का loss हुआ था पहले भी episode में हमारा. And he got Tomiyasu, and when we were talking about this, I told you his style of play. I consider him more of a centre back as well. He'd be a great centre back. And he's also a great right back as well because he's dribbling, he goes past everything. But in Arteta's
Dual
game plan,
footed as well.
yeah, Arteta's game plan basically ये होता है कि attacking में he goes into a back three and Tomiyasu shifts in inverted. But the thing is, his intelligence is so good, especially कि उसकी awareness भी इतनी है कि when he needs to attack and go forward with the ball, he'll go there. And उसमें फिर Partey on the right, whoever's the right-sided midfielder will cover that space for him. And he'll go forward, but mostly it's just like, everyone Partey goes forward as well and attacks, and Saka has more freedom. And then off the ball, if they have to tuck in and get more compact, तो फिर Saka भी has the wing back abilities because he's played left wing back to come in there as well. So ये मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि Arteta का people Bakker especially discredits Arteta a lot, but what he wanted to do, he has those players now, and it's his information. Like the defensive foundation भी set है, attacking भी set है. It's just now about execution basically. So everything.
बकर इसलिए क्योंकि वो आर्सेनल के मैचेस ज़्यादा देखता नहीं है, सीधी सी बात है. मैं देखता हूँ और मैं क्योंकि पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कन्विंस था आर्टेटा से, लेकिन रिजल्ट जब नहीं आ रहे होते तो फिर ऑब्वियसली फैंस डीमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं. नो मैटर वो कितना अच्छा खेल रहे हो या कितना बुरा खेल रहे हो, नाउ ही हैज़ हिज टीम. और जो 3 परफॉर्मेंसेज अभी तक देखी हैं, पहली नॉर्विच के अगेंस्ट वाजंट दैट इम्प्रेसिव, उसके बाद बर्नली के अगेंस्ट दे वर रियली गुड डिफेंसिवली. मतलब वन ऑफ द बेस्ट डिफेंसिव डिस्प्लेज आई हैव सीन आर्सेनल फ्रॉम आर्सेनल इन अ लॉन्ग टाइम. गैब्रियल का बहुत बड़ा रोल था उसके अंदर. सिंस ही इज कम बैक 2 क्लीन शीट्स और ये सन वाला गोल पड़ गया था. उसके बाद मैं एक वीडियो देख रहा था आज ही ट्विटर पे. आर्टेटा ने बात की थी जब लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट मैच हुआ था लास्ट सीजन, लिवरपूल बीट अस 3-1. तो उसने बात की थी कि वर्जिल वैन डाइक जैसा एक डायगनल बॉल खिलाता है सीधे सलाह के चेस्ट पे, सो दैट्स क्वालिटी, यू कांट कम्पीट विद दैट. सो इस रीज़न की वजह से उन्होंने फिर पूरी कंपाइलेशन दिखाई हुई थी, बेन वाइट डूइंग दैट विद साका एंड स्मिथ रो. तो दैट्स क्वालिटी. और बेन वाइट was bullying Kane, मुझे बस ये बोलना दो, he bullied
no,
Kane.
and the aerial abilities was lacking. जो Carragher सब कह रहे थे कि Ben White in a three. No, but the thing is, इसमें भी in this system that Arteta has, he's benefiting from it because Tomiyasu आ जाता है centrally, who is also good in the air, and then you have Gabriel who's good in the air. So basically Dunk और वो कौन था उसके साथ दूसरा, Lewis Dunk and Duffy. तो वो वाला सीन सिस्टम भी इसके. So basically it's strength for Ben White and he's a ball playing centre back for them, and it's not that he's bad in there, but he's just not as good as a lot of strikers. He's gonna तो वो सीन है. तो Arteta has to be given credit there. ये basically ये मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि खास ये highlight करे कोई कि यार because Sky Sports haven't done that for
नहीं
Arsenal
करेंगे
as
bro,
such.
Arsenal
because
कभी नहीं
काफी एजेंडा चल रहा था उस
वो तो
दिन.
चलता है हमेशा.
यही
आर्सेनल के
बात थी.
अगेंस्ट काफ़ी अरसे से यही होता है. तुमने क्या बात करनी है?
मैं भूल गया हूँ बाकी में कि क्या बात करनी थी मैंने. अर्टेटा अच्छा बंदा है, दिल से सच्चा है, पैशनेट.
बस
यही थी.
और कोई बातें?
यार हैरी केन की भी बात करते
हैरी केन की बात करो यार प्लीज. बोलो.
What do you guys think of him? How is he?
I think he should just go off.
यार he should have moved. चाहता था बेचारा, लेकिन लेवी bullied him into staying. और स्पर्स को भी उससे काफ़ी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट हुआ, और इसको भी ऑब्वियसली इसकी परफॉर्मेंसेस सही ड्रॉप हो गई. प्लेयर तो क्वालिटी है, उसमें कोई शक नहीं है, मुझे जितना भी बुरा लगता हो. उसके अलावा और क्या बात करने में?
I think he's
demotivated.
He's demotivated as well, but he's also getting in his head too much. He thinks he can do what he did last season with dropping in deep, but the team's different, the manager's different. You can't keep playing like that again and again. Like you need to. Yeah, I don't know what else to
You have
say.
to find a balance.
Yeah, he needs to go back to being the striker that he was.
उसको 2 चांसेस मिले थे आर्सेनल के अगेंस्ट, जो कि लास्ट सीजन वाला हैरी केन गोल सीधे आंखें बंद करके गोल होने थे, दोनों मिस किए उसने.
हाँ, कमेंटेटर्स तो बता ही जा रहे थे Harry Kane should put this, he has the ability, Harry Kane this.
अच्छा, मैं स्ट्रीम कर रहा था तो मेरी स्ट्रीम एक लैग हो जाती थी, दूसरी लगाता था, दोनों पे डिफरेंट कमेंटेटर्स थे, तो मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा था कि तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो और तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो.
मेरे फिट थे यार, मेरे वो OGs थे, पीटर
ड्रूरी. तुम्हारे एंडी टाउनसेंड तो मैंने
Harry
दोनों
Kane.
सुने आधे.
Harry Kane this, Harry Kane that, Harry blah, 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 blah.
No, but he's like I think January में ना ये जाएगा, it's gonna happen. City जाएगा and probably like it's gonna be a Van Dijk move. जिस तरह Van Dijk का delay नहीं हुआ था, I feel like this is just waiting to happen.
मतलब he should
Okay.
leave.
No, but
If I were
it was all
Tottenham, I
Daniel
would-
Levy कि उसका मसला है.
भाई इतना फिट रीबिल्ड कर सकते हैं वो स्क्वाड उस पैसे से. थोड़े से गैप से उन्हें फिल
They
करें.
don't even need him as a talisman anymore. Son is so much like he's amazing.
करंटली तो वैसे ही
Yeah.
उससे बेहतर खेल रहा है और बहुत फिट प्लेयर है.
Yeah.
And he always stands out, and even in a bad game,
Yeah.
like he does something for them. So yeah, okay. But like Tariq, he said like his performances he needs to realize that Lewandowski, Benzema, ये सब जो करते हैं ना, they balance their game. He doesn't have a balance.
Yeah.
Like he just thinks like it's a typical English mentality ना, एक चीज करो बस रख के मारो फिर. नहीं, मैं तो हूँ playmaker अब.
एक बॉय की बात करनी है यार, एमिल स्मिथ रो.
Oh yeah.
What a
What a
player, bro.
What a player.
What a player.
I had him in my fantasy team at the start, but then it wasn't working out in Arsenal.
क्योंकि वो आर्सेनल की
It was
परफॉर्मेंस
playing
ऐसी थी.
so poorly. I was like, no, bro, इनसे दूर रहो.
वो स्मिथ रो का तो
But
वो
I
वैसे भी
had-
मसला
yeah,
नहीं था, वो पूरा
he-
सिस्टम का
he
मसला था.
was- Yeah, I had a feeling he would do well this season.
यार आई फील
I mean, every season में बहुत time है, but
हाँ,
like,
लेकिन
still.
आई फील इफ ही स्टेज फिट, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, आई फील कि अगर वो फिट रहता है तो फिर इंग्लैंड कॉल अप सून.
Yeah, easy.
Should be there. We had a controversial take as well on him in our group chat.
क्या थी टेक?
It's better than
better than Mount.
Better than Mount.
You said that?
And you backed me.
मैं तो
We
obviously
need
back
backing. We need backing.
obviously
of
back करूँगा यार
this
बैराम
agenda
तो
this agenda that we have. No, but यार देखो like बनता तो है थोड़ा बहुत यार. I think
फिलहाल तो बनता ही है
versatile wise he's really good anywhere he plays.
Why do you? I don't get. Whenever some player is doing well, and this happens a lot on Twitter.
comparison
Yeah, why do you have to do comparisons like this guy is
No,
better?
because it's an English call-up policy, है ना? Basically, my point is
We're not calling them up.
no, but it's
So
just it's just
we're
a take.
fans
ना? It's
talking
just a
about
take, bro.
football,
Like, if
तो
you love
क्यों
First of
football,
all,
if you love
I love football.
obviously.
I love football. I hate the English football team. ठीक है? So they can lose. I don't care.
Bro,
Italy-
no, these players are really likable. They're really good
but
guys.
but
मेरे
नहीं,
अगर साका खेल रहा हो तो मैं तो सपोर्ट करूँगा ना उसे
ठीक है, but like you're comparing. Why are you comparing a guy who's injured at the moment, is not doing anything?
No, but it's not,
versus a
we're
guy-
not comparing to an injury thing, ना? It's actually his performances wise. Like हम कह रहे तुम्हें.
I don't think it's
Mount का
enough.
जो है-
I don't think it's enough to make it actual. अगर if you're just bantering तो फिर ठीक है, but if you're
यार
making
माउंट को
Bro,
अब चले
I'm
जाना
making
चाहिए
a-
लव आइलैंड मैंने ये उस पे भी लिखा था
That's fine.
वो
if you're making a genuine comparison, then it's a bit
वो जितना
early
टैन
to
हो
make
के
this
आया ना वापस अपनी यूरोस की छुट्टियों से
Look,
कोई
I'll
अब
tell
लव
you,
आइलैंड में
Oh,
ऐसे
उसकी कर सकता है यार, bro.
No, but Mount का ये कह रहे genuine comparison अगर मैं करूँ फिर तुम कहोगे कि तुम बहुत बातें कर रहे हो तुम सिर्फ सुनोगे नहीं सही
तुम तो
तरह
वैसे ही बहुत बातें करते
लेकिन
हो.
तुम
No matter what we do.
तो फिर तुम सुनते भी नहीं हो ना वो बात. You're gonna
What
be
do you
like,
think
you're
we've
just
been doing for
no,
the
but
last half hour?
you're gonna dismiss this one as well.
I'm
कि
not
वो
gonna
इस तरह
dismiss
का
it.
है.
I'm
And
just
then when it
saying-
happens, then you'll be like, oh, you know what? This, that happened.
I'm just saying.
ये बात ठीक है इसकी
You guys
no,
literally-
I think एक तो you guys literally.
You
should
do
post
it.
This, you should post this on his like bumper sticker or something. You guys literally.
You do it, bro.
एक कंपाइलेशन बना लो
मैं सिर्फ कह रहा हूँ कि it's a bit early to do ESR versus Mount comparisons. In my opinion.
लेकिन अगर
तो मैं भी
एक
अपनी ओपिनियन दे रहा हूँ
लेकिन
कि
उसका अगर ओपिनियन है कि ESR इज अ बेटर प्लेयर देन माउंट उस पोजीशन के लिए सो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग इन दैट अगर माउंट इज अ
नहीं,
बेटर प्लेयर देन
there's nothing wrong with
ESR
it.
हाँ तो बोलने दो उसे भाई
हाँ तो मैं ओपिनियन पे ओपिनियन नहीं दे सकता.
उसका ओपिनियन अभी शुरू भी नहीं हुआ था
हाँ ना इसने पहले से बोल दिया.
शुरू तो होने दे उसका ओपिनियन उसके बाद ओपिनियन दे
Way too much about Arsenal. It's a shit team.
Oh,
It's not अच्छी टीम है मजाक कर रहा.
तारे के पार्ट्स तो मैं काट रहा हूँ इस वीडियो से AC मिलान की कोई बात नहीं हुई आज ब्रो
Oh yeah.
नहीं करूंगा मैं डालूंगा ही नहीं वीडियो में
oh.
टेक दैट बैक
Bro, we have a game against Atletico. It's crazy. Hopefully win that.
करनी है बात या
Suarez
खत्म करनी?
bashes you. हाँ
करनी
यार बस हो गया यार
हो गया।
बस सिंपल बात करते हैं और फिर डिटेल में चले जाएंगे जब चेल्सी बॉयज आते हैं.
hashtag subscribe वगैरह we'll see you guys next time until then Allah Hafiz
Allah Hafiz.